ang ulan. Como? Lakas ang ulan, you stay there, huh? It's raining outside. You stay there, behave, okay? Okay? Give me your hand. Shake hand, shake hand, shake hand. And you? Look what you done to the helmet. It's broken, huh? Where's the duck? Duck! Oh, the duck is there. Dati may ano dyan eh, may ibon dyan sa taas eh. Wala siya ngayon. Mga naputol ang puno eh, oh. Ayan, oh, may mga sanga pala, oh. Hindi lang pa nalalaglag. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Naputol ang sanga ng mangga. Kaya hindi namumunga ng marami ang mangga eh. Sa sobrang lakas ng hangin, nalalaglag ang bulaklak eh. Hey, what are you doing, guys? Duck! Nasa ilong yung duck, oh. Kung walang aso rito, punta yan dito. May aso kasi, eh. Hi, duck! Hey, what are you doing? Kawawa naman ang helmet. Inabot na si Ariel sa kabila. Sira kasi ang cellphone. Kaya nakikinood ng TV sa kanyang mama. Kaya yan ang gusto ko mabili. Sana makabili kami bago magpasko. Kasi ano, titigil sa pag-inom pag may TV. Mag-stay lang. Mahilig yung manood ng TV eh. Ayan, cellphone pa naman sira. Kagagawa lang. Sira na naman. Nalaglag eh. Nabudol kami guys nang pinagpagawa namin. Ang nipis ng nilagay na LCD. Hi baby, are you afraid of the rain? You enjoy watching the rain. The sound is so relaxing. Huh? Not afraid to the rain. The rain is so relaxing and so cool. It's cold outside. It's nice to sleep now because it's cold. New Year 2026. It's raining. It is a blessing. Maybe it's a blessing. January 1, it's raining and it's a blessing. There's no flood here in our place here in Davao. When I'm in Noveleta, it's always flood. We're enjoying because if there's flood, they are so happy with the mudfish. They are getting the mudfish and we wait them to vomiting the dirty inside the stomach, and then if there's a vomiting the dirty things, after that we can fry them. We can fry the mudfish and then we eat, and it's very delicious guys. There's a long mudfish and there's a lot of what do you call in English? I forgot it. It's like a snake, you know. There's a lot of like a snake. It's a fish, but it's like a snake. But I forgot what is English. And all the drunken master, all the manzo, they like pollutant. They like pollutant, the mudfish and the snake fish. I forgot what is in English. They eat that in Japan. It's like a snake. Ah, it's there in my tongue, but I can speak. I forgot. I think I have amnesia. If I don't have money, I have an amnesia. I always have amnesia. I hope this 2026, more blessing, more friends, more kind-hearted to meet, good vibes, a healthy body, peace of mind, healthy body and peace of mind, and I hope my child will be more responsible. He's going to be a daddy. I hope that he's prioritize his child and his partner, and to be respectful son to his papa, to his dad, and to his grandmother who taking care of him when he was a baby, because I am working until he's big now. All I can say is to be responsible and respectful child. It's heavy rain. It's nice to have a rain, to have more rice in the, more food, more rice. Look at the duck. They are all we feeling cold. Where is the mother? Look at the duck. Oh, poor duck. No mother. I don't know where. Peace everyone, and peace of mind, healthy. I hope it's a beautiful 2026 to all of